Hello friends, if the seat belt is lazy, you can disassemble it and tighten the spring so that the return mechanism is more intense, and thus the belt will be faster. I have the video on the channel about disassembling the belt. You can also wash the seat belt. This way it will also be faster. Take a rag and a bucket of water and detergent. I wash my belt like this, then wiped it. All friends, after that, the belt will return more intensive. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.